One of the world's heaviest fish is floating at the surface of the ocean. And then, boom, an orca grabs it. Then it lets go. A second killer whale accelerates straight towards it at full speed. The impact is so violent that pieces of fish explode into the surrounding water. It isn't an accident because it happens twice. So why would one of the ocean's smartest predators deliberately smash its prey apart instead of simply eating it? A new study from researchers working in the Gulf of California describing something scientists had never formally documented before. And here's what they found. Adult orcas appear to cooperate in a hunting behavior the researchers call ram to fragment. But was this simply an unusual way of processing food, or evidence of something much more sophisticated happening inside an orca family? The first observation happened back in July of 2024. Researchers analysed underwater footage of a group of orcas that had already killed a sharp-tailed sunfish. One adult female held the carcass steady, then an adult male charged. The collision produced an audible impact. The body of the fish fragmented, scattering tissue throughout the water. And then something unexpected happened. The adults largely ignored the smaller pieces. Instead, a juvenile orca swam into the cloud of fragments and began eating them. One extraordinary event could have been dismissed as chance, but 14 months later, researchers documented an almost identical sequence. Again, one adult stabilized the fish, another accelerated into it. Again, the impact shattered tissue through the water column. This time, a calf was also observed feeding from the carcass while adults continued processing the remains. The researchers compared both videos frame by frame. Because they had already been killed and its internal organs removed before the collision, the impact wasn't delivering the fatal blow. The authors propose that this behavior may help adults prepare food for younger orcas. Breaking the carcass into smaller pieces could make feeding easier for inexperienced animals. But that's only one possibility. The fragmentation may also help process prey, distribute food through the group, or even present a socially learned behavior passed between generations. Importantly, this study did not prove which explanation is correct. It only documents the behavior and proposes several hypotheses consistent with the observations. This discovery adds another hunting strategy to an already astonishing list. Orcas are known to hunt sharks, raise whales, and even create waves to wash seals from floating ice. Now, researchers have documented what appears to be another remarkably coordinated behavior. But there are still important questions. Was this behavior unique to sharp-tailed sunfish? Do all pods do it? Or is it a specialized tradition passed through only a few families? Right now, nobody knows. So why would an orca smash a fish so hard that it explodes? Well, the strongest answer supported by today's evidence is surprisingly simple, and that's not to kill it, but instead to process it. And perhaps to teach the next generation how to eat it. Sometimes the most violent moment in nature isn't the hunt, it's the lessons that come afterwards.